What's up, toasters? In 2 bits. Yeah, see, we got that V-carve machine back there working. See what we got going on. This the Cam Master machine. It works great, man. We use this to cut a lot of our acrylic out of acrylic pieces for our doors to light up. Does a lot of the V-carving. So pretty much Ram Lady does all the setting up for it, digitizing, bringing it up on the machine. So it cuts, man. You put the design on the computer, she designed it on the front computer, bring it back here, upload it, it tells this machine exactly what to do. And I must say, this mug graduated. It definitely graduated. So we cutting this one out for the Z28. It's gonna be the Carolina Syndicate logo. It cuts from the back side. Pretty dope and pretty accurate. Time that plastic wanna stick, wanna melt, be so hot when it comes off. It does be wanting to melt inside. We just clean it off. Keep it rolling. This is for the rear seat delete. What we got in the Z28, the one we call Balboa. Boy, that thing gonna be dope too. Wait till y'all see it. Y'all know July 15, baby, we live. We gonna have it out there on display for the world to see. Y'all pretty much see how it works, man. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product in a minute. All right, while that's still cut, man. Pancho Rita in the back here, putting the trim up. Just got done with the headliner. Fresh carpet. Woo, boy, this thing look like a football field. Boy, that fresh turf. This that Mercedes Benz. Y'all seen us making that kit. This how it turned out. We even put the heel pad on there. Boy, this thing came out smoking. My boy Dean get a good job on this one, man. It should look awesome once it all get in here. Everything get together. Sheesh. Headliner done. Seatbelts. And the T-top rack in the back. What are the Z28 T-top Trans Am? Got a T-top rack in the back where you can slide your T-tops behind your seat. Take them out and put them in if you need to. Well, ain't nobody doing that. You can't get with it. I kind of like this Grant wheel. Nah, not really. Nah, not really. Mo ain't gonna do you like that, man. This is my syndicate brother. It's my syndicate brother. You getting that in? Now it's time to Y'all see how we did that red accent, ain't it? Build the trunk. Get the trunk together. Like I said, man, this thing here still paying attention to detail. So y'all can see it's coming out smoking, so. Also, man, this thing here cut out pretty much any design that you can design on the CAD program. If anybody pretty good with that, man, I'd love for you to come by the shop, man, and show me a few things or two, man. Speaker boxes, wood, console shapes, rear deck shapes, trunk panels. If you're good at designing only, you can't come in knowing what I know, which is basically nothing. I can do the basics. But it's working, so y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show you what it looked like inside the car. Lit up. I'll be back in a minute.